How to convert a PDF file into a Word in seconds. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can convert a PDF into a Word. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So as you can see, I've opened up the Acrobat over here, Adobe Acrobat, and I also have Word over here as well. So here I have this invoice, and if I open it up, it'll open up right here. And here, let's say I want to convert it, I can just simply go ahead and convert it into a doc by clicking on the convert button over here on the left hand side. Or if you already have a PDF file, I'm just going to go ahead and export it as a PDF, but I can also, this is an export a PDF over here, and compress to PDF. These are other options as well, but these are the other options. Where is it? And here I can just simply click on all tools, and I can click on create a PDF or export a PDF. Now, so here I can just simply click on convert and click on convert to Word, and then click on convert, and it'll automatically convert the file into a PDF, right? Or if you already have a PDF file, you can see I have a bunch of them over here. Let's say this one right here. I'll just simply drag and drop that file within Word, and it'll automatically convert it. So here you will see Word will now convert the PDF into a Word document. This may take a while, so you can just simply click on OK, and it'll automatically convert that file, convert the PDF into a Word, and it's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.